Hi, I'm Jialing, and I'm here to talk about my project, Voice Control as an Assistive Technology for Accessibility. In this video, I will explain what my project is about, why it's important, and how it can help improve technology for people with disabilities. Voice control allows people to use their voice to control devices like phones and computers. This is helpful for people who can't use a keyboard or touchscreen. My project looks at three voice control systems: Apple's voice control, Windows speech recognition, and Android's voice access. I want to find out what works well and what doesn't, and how these systems can be improved to help more people. Many researchers have studied voice control technology. For example, some studies show how your voice assistants help people search the web or do simple tasks. Other research, like ability-based design, focus on making technologies that works for people's abilities instead of their challenges. But there are still things we don't know, like how voice control works for people with speech difference, accents, or in different cultures. In my project, I study how this voice control system support people with disabilities. I also look at whether the technology removes barriers or just focus on fixing what it sees as a problem. There are two main problems with voice control systems. First, they don't work well for people with speech impairments or strong accents. For example, people who stutter may have trouble using it. Second, these systems don't have enough options to customize for different needs. People with conditions like ALS might need systems that change as their abilities change. My project focuses on solving this problem. My project compares voice control systems from Apple, Windows, and Android. I look at how these systems are designed and whether they meet the needs of people with disabilities. I also use feedback from users to find out what works and what needs to change. For example, I will check if Apple's voice control is easy to use for people who have trouble speaking clearly. I will also see if Windows speech recognitions let users make the commands work better for their needs. By studying these systems, I hope suggest ways to make voice control more inclusive. Here are the main questions I want to answer. Does Apple's voice control work for people with speech problems? Can Windows speech recognitions be customized for different users? How can these systems support people with different accents and cultures? These questions guide my research. In summary, my project looks at how to improve voice control for people with disabilities. By focusing on their needs and including their feedback, we can create technologies that helps everyone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or ideas, I'm looking forward to your feedback.